100 Facts. Bugs. Miles Kelly, Steve Parker, Dr. Jim Flegg. Great Pretenders. Some insects are shaped and colored to look like other animals. This can make them seem stronger and more dangerous, even when they are not. Pretending to be another animal is known as mimicry. The harmless hoverfly looks just like a wasp. Like other mimics, it fools the other animals into thinking it's more dangerous than it is. The animal pretending is called the mimic. The creature it looks like is called the model. Usually, the model has a nasty sting, poisonous flesh, or some other feature that protects it from attack. The ant beetle looks like the velvet ant, which has a painful sting. The ant beetle resembles an ant, but it does not have a strong bite or sting like a real ant. The ant beetle enters the ant's nest and steals the larvae to eat. The monarch butterfly has bright, bold colors on its wings. These warn other animals, such as birds and lizards, that its flesh tastes horrible and poisonous. The viceroy butterfly looks very similar to the monarch, but its flesh is not distasteful. The viceroy is a mimic of the monarch butterfly. The bee fly looks just like a bee. It has a hairy, striped body and can hover and hum like a bee, but it cannot sting. The bee fly avoids predators by looking like a bee. The hornet moth is a mimic of the large type of wasp known as the hornet. A hornet has a very painful sting, and a few other creatures dare to try to eat it. The hornet moth is harmless, but few other creatures dare to eat it either. Pause the video if you want to take the quiz.